Here's an example of a force diagram and the thinking that goes into it. First, you need an object to think about the forces. Here's this dude, he's an object, but there's no other objects. There's no Earth or anything, so it's just him, and if there is no other object, he can't interact with anything, so there's no forces. Let's bring the Earth into the picture, and we know that the Earth pulls on the dude. So that is a force exerted on this person. So the way we do our record keeping is we say this is a force by the Earth on the dude, D for dude. Writing it this way is called the agent-object notation because the first letter is the agent in this of the force. So the Earth is causing this force to occur on the dude, and the dude is the object of the force. The force is occurring on the dude. This is called the gravitational force. It is a non-contact force in that the objects that are interacting do not have to be in contact, and we know that gravity is one of the fundamental forces of nature, and all of those four forces are non-contact forces. So if just the Earth is pulling on the person, this is the only force, but when the person is in contact with the Earth, there must be a different kind of force involved. Now, he would not be falling towards the Earth as the gravitational force pulled him to the Earth. Now he is not moving relative to the Earth, and something happened. There's another force involved here, and that is a force that's directed upward, and that is a force of not the whole Earth, but just the surface of the Earth, or a floor, or the ground on the dude. All right. So the surface he's in contact with is the agent, and the dude is the object. Now this type of force occurs as a consequence of the contact between the surface and the person, so it's a contact force. And for this situation, this is called normal force. Normal is a mathematical term that indicates a 90-degree angle, and the angle between the surface and the person is 90 degrees in this case, so it's called a normal force. Just to boil this situation down, we consider the object to be the most important thing, and in this case, the object is the person, and the agent will remove from the diagram here. Now, we want to do this kind of thinking for a variety of situations. We don't want to have to draw whatever the object is. We'll make it very simple. We'll make the object just a dot. So this person now we'll just represent as a dot, and we don't have to have the dude there. We can erase him. Now we have the force diagram for the object, which is represented as a dot in this case, right there. And we show the two forces acting on the dot. We have gravitational force of the Earth pulling down on the dude, and the force of the surface pushing up on the dude, which is the normal force. And this force diagram is appropriate for the dude when he's standing on the ground of the Earth.